Alright, so this is a new Trane XR14 air conditioner. This replaced a 1991 Trane XL1200 air conditioner, unfortunately. Replaced it a while ago, actually, but I'm just now getting around to filming it. It's just a basic XR, nothing really too special, so that's why I've waited so long. Got an Alliance Copeland scroll compressor, same exact thing. Same exact thing as a Copeland. No energy guide. I think it might actually be worn off already. It's from 2018. It's a 3.5 ton. That doesn't make sense. Could have sworn this got replaced just last year. It might actually be a used unit. That's interesting. 2018 Trane. Guessing it's a used unit then. Because ain't no way it got replaced in 2018. And then here's this Comfort Maker ICP unit. I've filmed this before. It's got a scroll. What's your name again? 2014 3.5 ton. Same thing as that one. Same tonnage. With the helicopter fan blades. Broad Ocean fan motor. This one has a Gentech, I think. Yeah, Gentech. So, anyways, thanks for watching.